Well, I've got the Radian out today. I just had one flight moments ago. Pretty scary. Wings were flapping around unbelievably, very hard to control. Had to use high rates just to be able to turn it in the wind. This will be flight number 2. Bit cautious about this one, but time to fly, and let's have a go anyway and see how it does on the second flight. Interesting flight, nearly lost it a couple of times. As you can probably see, plane just getting violently thrown around in the wind, but that's the second safe landing for today, and I might call that quits there and be happy to go home with an intact model. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.